Hello all. Today's ICP is matrix multiplication with inputs from two different files in a matrix, two different matrices in two different files, and then storing that output in another file. Firstly, I have created a class called matrix mul, and then in this we are setting the order of the matrices because to perform multiplication, both the columns of two matrices should be same. Here we are setting the order of the matrices because first matrix is m into n, the second matrix is n into p. Here we can clearly see that both the matrices columns are same, hence we can perform the multiplication. Next it goes into a map class and reduce class and stores the output. In the map class I've created a class called map, and then here it checks the rows and columns, and then the multiplication logic is performed here. The elements in the first row of the first matrix is multiplied with the columns in the second matrix, and hence the multiplication is performed. And in the reducer part, I've created a class called reduce, and this in reduce part it checks whether the elements are coming from the first matrix or not. This is the value where we can check if it is equals to m, then it is from the first matrix, and then it corresponds to the hash output. And next it is stored into it does the hash mapping, and it stores into stores the value into the output file. Now I'll firstly I have created an input. In input I have created two files. In the first file, my matrix named m. These are positions 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are the elements 1 2 4 6, and same as the n matrix name in the n file, matrix named n, position 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the elements 1 2 4 8. Now let's see output. First I'll run this. I will delete this. Run matrix. After the program runs, we can see that the output file is created, and the multiplication output is we can see in that output file. Here you can see output folder is created in this. This is the output. As we have given float, we have got 9.0, 18.0, 28.0, 56.0 as output. For simplicity purpose, I have done it in IntelliJ, and you can also visualize this using Hue. I'll share that in the. That's all.